Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me. I want to share with you an update on my new digital collection that is available now in my Etsy store. This is the Misty Garden collection. There are 5 coordinating sets to the collection with 5 pages per coordinating set. So I just want to give you a quick flip through. And then I'm also going to do a couple of projects to show you on what I have made with them to give you some inspiration as well. So this one here is the background 001, and there are 5 pages to the background sheets. Let me just move that to the side. And it is available in letter size and A4 size. So this is the first page. One has just a neutral page, which will work with all of the papers, and these will also coordinate with all of my other collections that I have available as well. So you can use this as the back part to make it into a double page. And this is the 5th one. So this one is the background 001. I also have the background 002. So there are in total 10 pages of the background sheets. So let me give you a look at this one here. So there is this one. And then this one here. This one is 002. I also made 5 pages of the journal kit. These ones have envelopes and tags and pockets. These ones have the pockets, and these ones you can cut these out and make these as journaling cards. You can make your own tags with them. You can fold these in half to make tiny little pockets. These will fit inside the library pocket as well, so you can do a lot with these sort of pieces. So that's that one. These ones are the tags in 3 different sizes. Coin style envelopes. You just cut it out and then assemble it. And that's upside down. This one is an envelope, and there's another extra piece here that you could use to add to your project and however you like. And this also has another envelope and a few fussy cut circle shapes. And these would be great. You can punch a hole and make these into little swing tags, or add them into your embellishments. These ones are the journaling. This is the journal kit, 5 pages. And the great thing with these is you don't have to buy all 5 coordinating sets. You can just pick whichever one you like if you don't want to use them all. There is also the ephemera pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, sorry, I've just counted them. These are the ephemera pieces that you can fussy cut, or you can make them into note cards or whatever you would like to use them for. So this is one of the pages. And these are great to cut apart and make them into collage or tuck them into pockets. This is 2 background sort of pages. You can cut these in half. You can use this as a whole page. This is another one. These are the note cards that you can cut. These would also be great to add in front of a mini journal. And then this is the other one. 5 pages as well in that one. And I've got one more. They're the background sheets, also 5 pages. Sorry, the collage. This is the collage set. This is the first one. And these make great background papers too. You can double side it with the other background papers. You can fold it this way, you can fold it that way or this way. You can cut it up and use them for your own, however you like to do that. This one you can fold like that, or you can cut it in half and then you can make this one, you know, however you like to do it. So there's all sorts of ways you could change this up. This is another one, and then there's this one, and then there is this one. So these are the 5 collage sheets. And that's the one. So I'm looking forward to making some projects with these and sharing them with you as well. So if you would like to purchase the kit, you can head over to my Etsy store and these are available now. Thank you for joining me and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.